Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of some 2753 Upper A arms. They fit 1967 to 69 Camaro and Firebird first gen F body and also 68 to 74 Nova X body. Let's take a look at these. They feature strong USA tubular construction, pretty heavy duty gusset right here. These things are bulletproof. Comes with standard ball joint or tall upper ball joint to improve camber gain. Add the -1 if you want the tall ball joint. The improved caster. These are the street versions, so they're going to add just enough caster to give you that modern steering feel, keep the car tracking straight and handling awesome. They have chromoly cross shaft here. You can see that it's offset. It allows you to change the camber without adding shims. Greasable bushings, nice and quiet. All in all, the arms come together to make a nice package for your first gen or Nova.